Wait, is it actually impossible to sneeze with your eyes open? Let's find out. You've probably heard that your eyeballs will pop out if you sneeze with your eyes open, but that's a myth. Yes, your body automatically wants to shut your eyes during a sneeze. It's a reflex like blinking. But with effort and a little danger, some people can do it. Don't try this at home though, seriously. Fun fact, sneezing pressure isn't strong enough to launch your eyeballs out. They're locked in tight by muscles. Tag a friend who would totally try this and hit subscribe button for more weird body facts you won't believe. Next up, why do we say bless you after sneezing? You won't believe the reason.